Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a stunning mermaid braids with the perfect boho style using both human hair and synthetic attachments. We are adding the coils using Flexi rods, no heat, no damage. If you love perfect protective hairstyle that turns head, you're going to love this tutorial, so make sure you watch till the end. The first step to flawless mermaid braids is knit sectioning. I went for medium sized parts, which gives you a balance between fullness and lightweight. Okay, so guys, I start with knotless braid technique. No big knot at the root, just a smooth and neutral start. This makes the braid lighter and way more comfortable. You take a small piece of the braiding hair and feed it into your natural hair and plait it down. So this part is really simple. What I do is I'm going to make it down to where her hair stops, where my client's hair stops. That's exactly where I'm going to be stopping the braiding. Then when I stop and I measure it and I see that okay, that's where her hair is, I'm going to tie the roots down to secure it properly. Okay, so once all the hair has been made and braided, I'm going to take out the ones I leave out, and then I'm going to be combing them out to remove all the knots that are tangled in the hair. All the hair that is tangled together, I'm going to brush it out, and then I'm going to pour hot water. This process makes the hair easier to coil and makes the hair more silky, and the coils come out fine. So what I do is I boil water and then I pour it on the hair. This is what it looks like when I'm done. This is not actually what I wanted, but I guess maybe it's the color of the attachment. I don't really know, but it's not giving the exact silkiness that I wanted it to give. But anyways, it's still going to be okay. So I'm going to go in with my Flexi rod. I'm going to take my Flexi rod and I'm only going to be coiling 4 strands of hair on each rod. That's what I'm going to be using, just 4 strands of hair. So I'm going to wrap 4 strands like this on each Flexi rod. Okay, so when that's all done, I'm going to go in with another hot water. This time I'm going to pour in the hot water directly on my Flexi rod. This one is to seal in the coils and make the coils. This is what is going to make the coils come out how you see those girls wearing it online. This is how the coil is going to be made. You pour hot water on it. And make sure your water is very hot, and you want to be sure you are careful not to burn your client. So when I'm done, this is what it's going to look like. And okay, before I forget, I air dry it for a few minutes, not too long, just a few minutes, so it gets dry before I unravel the coil. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my hair mousse, apply it on my client's scalp and on the coils. And then I'm going to spray my oil sheen spray just to give it that shiny look. And here are a few maintenance tips to keep your hair fresh. Before going to sleep, wrap your hair in a bonnet or with a satin scarf to secure the hair, and make sure you, from time to time, you apply hair oil directly to your scalp to keep your scalp moisturized and hydrated. And the good thing about this style is it can last for at least 4 weeks, depending on how well you maintain the hair. It can last for a while. And there you have it, guys. Mermaid Knotless Braids with big flexi rod coils. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more protective hairstyle video, and drop a comment letting me know what style you want me to do next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.